Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft for free on your laptop or computer very easily. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you go to Google and search Minecraft trial. Click on the first website that's going to be here. Here, scroll down. There is one thing that you have to pay attention to, is make sure you download the Java edition and not this edition. Here, this is going to be dependent on which system you have. If you have Mac, you're just going to click here. If you have Windows, click here. Once you click here, you're going to need to wait for a few seconds until it's downloaded. Here in the top right, you're just gonna click on the download folder and click here to open the file. Here, double click on the file we have downloaded. It's gonna show you this. You're just gonna click on install, and this is how you can install Minecraft for free on your computer or laptop. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.